Are you tired of editing shorts, reels and TikTok videos? Struggling to manage clips, music and other elements? What if AI could take care of all of that for you, faster and smarter than ever before? Imagine effortlessly creating radiate style videos, scary story, quiz videos, business content and much more without wasting a second of your precious time. Welcome to Clipwise AI, the game changer that lets you create trending videos without the hassle. Let's dive in and see how it works. First, visit Clipwise AI by following the link in the video description and sign up. Once you are done, you see a dashboard in the top left corner where you can start creating your videos. Input details is the first step in creating trending short-form videos on Clipwise. It neatly organizes the options for you. Categorize as viral, faceless, AI host, quiz, radiate style, and business videos, making it easy for you to choose your video format. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to create viral, faceless, and business videos. Let's begin with the viral, faceless. After selecting it, you need to enter your video topic. The topic can be anything such as science facts or funny videos. For example, let's choose childhood story because some YouTube channels receive huge engagement due to their animated story content. You can type your video prompt here, describe the details, and even add a link if needed. Clipwise can generate a video script based on your video topic, which I'll show you later in this video. This time let's go to ChatGPT and ask for the story about the crow and the pitcher. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT provides you the famous story of the crow and the pitcher. Now let's copy and simply paste it into the Clipwise. Once the story is ready, you need to select the language. You can choose from options like English, Deutsch, Italiano, Arabic, Hindi or Indonesian. All the most commonly used languages are available. For this video, we can select English. Next, move on to the next setting, video duration, which can be set from 30 seconds to 90 seconds. Under additional settings, you can customize the tone, style, and audience to best fit your video. The next setting is important, the visual theme, as it determines the look of your video. You can choose from themes like cinematic, children's book, 3D pizza, and many more, which you find by clicking on View All. All the themes are neatly organized by category. For this video, since it's going to be a children's story, let's select children's book as the theme. Finally, click on Generate to let the Clipwise app to showcase its AI magic by creating the script and visuals. By hitting Generate, we enter the next step, Narration. Here, Clipwise provides other settings to adjust, like Voiceover and Script. Click the drop-down menu for gender to filter the voice, for example, female. Other options allow you to customize the voice accents, age, and tone to suit your content. Now let's listen some voiceover samples and choose the best tone.
With cloud machine learning, your application interprets images, texts, and so much more.
And here's the kicker. I found a secret recipe for the most decadent chocolate cake ever.
It seems this voiceover is perfect and engaging for the content we are gonna create. Although it's a faceless video, we still have option to choose an avatar. By default, no avatar is selected. Let's select an avatar to see how it looks. The next part of the narration is the script of the video. Here in the script review, you can see the script for the audio and the images. If you need to edit the audio script, you can easily do so by typing whatever changes you would like to make. I can honestly say that Clipwise really does a great job with the content we are gonna creating. All the images look perfect and blending with the story of the crow and the pitcher. I've tried to generate the same content again and Clipwise did a great job once more. Clipwise is flexible and allows you to regenerate the image if needed. Just click on the little pen icon which lets you edit the image, then hit regenerate. Alternatively, you can upload your own image. If you are happy with the new image, just close the pop-up window. Now hit the next, which brings you to the next part where you can preview the video. Let's talk about the sponsor of this video, Clipwise. Clipwise is an AI-powered video creating platform for both PC and mobile that makes video editing quick and easy. With its simple interface, AI script writing, lifelike voiceovers, voice cloning, AI hosts, background music, and animated captions, Clipwise has everything you need to create professional videos, even if you are not an expert. Clipwise offers flexible subscription plans, and right now you can get 60% off the annual plan for a limited time. All the details are in the video description. If you are serious about content creation, Clipwise is a game changer for you. In this customization option, you can add background music, video overlay, and customize caption. So it can be said that Clipwise AI customization options are endless. First, let's preview the video to see how it looks. Then we'll move on to the customization.
In a parched land, a lone crow seeks water, spying an old pitcher ahead. Hope flickers in her eyes, yet the water level seems unreachable.
Okay, it looks good now. Let's stop playback and change the background music. Clipwise has a library of trending music which is enough to help you find the best tone for your content. Let's try some of them to choose the perfect background music. Blossom could be the best tone, so let's select it. After selecting the background music, it's time to adjust the music volume so that it blends soothingly with the voiceover for your audience. Next, you can adjust video speed if you want to change it. For the transition sound, select yes if you want a transition sound effect or no if you don't. By the way, you can even upload the background music from your local drive by clicking the upload button. Clicking on view all, you can see music library categorized by genre. The animated caption feature is another game changer part of Clipwise. You no longer need to use additional plugins to create animated captions. You can change the caption font from the available fonts. Almost all trending fonts are available in the drop-down menu. Next is the caption style. Let's choose the one you prefer to perfect the video you are creating. The caption color can also be adjusted. By default, yellow is selected for the selected caption style. For example, you can choose orange, which is also trending these days. Let's see how it looks if we change caption style from highlighted to raise up. The next setting is the video overlay. From here you can choose the overlay effect you want to show on your video. For example, you can select digital world. You also have option to upload your own video overlay or click on view all to see other video overlays in Clipwise. When you're satisfied with all the settings, hit the next to generate the final video. A few minutes later, your video will be ready for preview and download. By clicking on the play icon, you can enjoy the full video.
In a parched land, a lone crow seeks water, spying an old pitcher ahead. Hope flickers in her eyes, yet the water level seems unreachable. The crow pauses and ponders, clever mind whirring. She eyes scattered pebbles on the ground, and a solution begins to form within her clever mind. With resolve, she picks a pebble with her beak, drops it into the pitcher, watching as it splashes, making ripples across the water's surface. Pebble by pebble, her labor continues. The water, stubborn at first, rises gradually, inching closer to her reach with each calculated drop. Success at last. The crow quenches her thirst, savoring the sweet victory of her effort, proving persistence can turn impossibility into a triumph. Little by little, determination pays off. This crow's tale reminds us that ingenious persistence helps tackle life's biggest challenges, a worthy lesson indeed.
Well, this video is really interesting and I hope it catches the audience attention. Create videos with Clipwise AI without wasting your time and grow your YouTube channel and other social media accounts. Now click on download to complete the download process. Rename the file and hit save to save the file on your PC. Now let's create a business video without the help of ChatGPT. Just type the title of the video like social media marketing. Next, select the video format business videos. For the video theme, flat illustration could be a better choice. Now we are ready to generate the video script and images by hitting the generate. For the voice, you can choose an AI voice, or if you want to use your clone voice, click on the clone voice option. You'll then see a pop-up window for recording your voice. Make sure the microphone is connected, then click on record button and read the script. And once done, click on clone to clone your voice. Next, let's review the script generated by Clipwise AI. Well, it's perfect according to the video topic and the visuals perfectly blend with the script. If you're happy with the script, hit the next button to add background music, customize the captions, and add a video overlay. After completing all the adjustments, click on next and your business video will be ready.
Ever wonder how social media taps into your daily life? Today, let's explore.
That's it for today's video on Clipwise AI. Just sign up for Clipwise AI and start making trending videos for YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.